Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to request special meals on Delta Airlines. This is incredibly useful if you have dietary restrictions or preferences and want to ensure your meal is ready when you board your international flight. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to delta.com. Once you're on the Delta homepage, look for the option labeled My Trips and click on it. This section is where you'll manage all aspects of your booking, including meal requests and other special services. Next, you'll need to enter your confirmation number or e-ticket number along with your last name in the fields provided. After filling in these details, select the red button to proceed deeper into the website. This will pull up your specific booking information and give you access to customization options. Now, since I don't have an actual ticket number ready for demonstration purposes, I'm going to explain what happens in the next step. Once your booking loads, scroll down until you find the section titled Special Services Requests. This is the hub for all additional accommodations you might need during your flight. Within that section, look for the heading that says Special Meals and click Open underneath it. This will expand the menu and show you all the meal options Delta offers for passengers with specific dietary needs. You'll see a variety of choices here, such as gluten-free, kosher, vegan, and several others designed to accommodate different preferences and requirements. Go ahead and select your desired special meal type from the available options. Make sure to confirm the selection for each passenger listed on your booking and for each flight segment if you have multiple legs to your journey. This ensures that your meal preference is applied consistently throughout your entire trip. After making your selections, click Save or Submit to officially apply the request. You should see a green check mark appear next to the flight details, which confirms that your special meal has been successfully requested and recorded in the system. Before you exit, take a moment to verify that the request now appears under the Special Services Requests section. This double check ensures everything is properly saved and that there won't be any surprises when you board. One important thing to note is that special meals are available only on international flights, not on domestic routes. Additionally, you must submit your request at least 24 hours before your scheduled departure time to ensure the catering team has enough time to prepare your meal. And that's it. You've successfully requested a special meal on Delta Airlines, making your international travel experience more comfortable and tailored to your dietary needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.